We often hear about fire incidents, and some of us have even witnessed them. Fires are dangerous as they destroy property and sometimes even cost valuable human lives. Studies have shown that most fires are caused by electrical short circuits and are actually quite small when they start. But if they're not attended to immediately, these small fires can rapidly grow into big, uncontrollable fires, causing massive collateral damage. The losses caused by fires get further compounded due to the damages caused by the spraying of water and foam by a fire tender. And this is besides the loss of production time in case of commercial units, as the unit has to be closed for several weeks after the fire. The key to countering fires is controlling them when they are small. This is why the role of the first responder to the fire is extremely important. The policies recommend that the extinguishers for use by the first responders should be easy to spot and use and should have the least possible activation time. Also, the first responder fire extinguishers should be handy, lightweight, and should have a controllable discharge mechanism with maximum possible fire dousing capability or fire rating. But we are all aware that the present scenario of the conventional fire extinguishers is not very encouraging. The fire rating assured by them is often minimum and they are heavy in weight. A lot of organizations today still use different types of extinguishers for different types of fires. This leads to wastage of precious time during emergencies. Almost most fire extinguishers made up of metal bodies require annual maintenance contracts. These AMCs have become a lucrative business model by supplying at a minimum cost and then making much more money by renewing AMCs every year. AMCs generally do cosmetic maintenance jobs such as painting the extinguisher's outside body and changing its sticker. What gets conveniently missed is countering the extinguisher's internal corrosion. This is despite the established fact that the foam and powder used in the extinguisher are known to be corrosive to the metal body, and also caking of the powder inside is a common issue. The metal-based conventional fire extinguishers have other disadvantages too. The production of the metal body contributes significantly to the organization's carbon footprint. It gets further increased with recurring AMC activities required to be carried out every year. This corrosion often goes unnoticed in the hydro test, which is done only once in 3 years. If the first responder is not effective, we use fire tenders. These fire tenders do douse the fire, but their excessive use of water or foam causes massive collateral damage to the property. Almost comparable, if not more, than the damage caused by the fire itself. The conventional metal-based fire extinguishers have some other problems as well. Their fire dousing efficiency often gets reduced due to internal corrosion, thus reducing their effective fire rating. This can even lead to some rather unexpected consequences. As we see, the metal-based conventional fire extinguishers are far from dependable and are actually themselves a hazard to the life of the first responders. Is there a solution available? ASCA, with its decades of experience in the firefighting field, has now introduced composite body fire extinguishers, the ASCA MFCF 10. The ASCA Maintenance-Free, Corrosion-Free 10. The lightweight and strong MFCF 10 fire extinguishers are unique in design as well. They have unique 3-layer structure. The innermost layer consists of high-density polyethylene polymer or HDPE. This HDPE container is then wrapped by Kevlar. Kevlar is an extremely strong material used in fire suits and for bulletproofing as well. This Kevlar wrapped case is then placed in another HDPE case for added strength and long life. The result is a light and strong composite body fire extinguisher that meets norms of IS 15683 2018 as well as EN standard requirements. With ASCA MFCF 10, the user has several unique benefits like 10-year corrosion guarantee of vessel, lightweight, better lancing distance, and max fire rating. Come, Let's witness some demos of the ASCA MFCF 10. Demo of MFCF 10, foam-based fire extinguisher on Class A fire. Demo of MFCF 10, foam-based fire extinguisher, Class B fire. Demo of MFCF 10 powder-based fire extinguisher on Class A fire. Demo of MFCF 10 powder-based fire extinguisher, Class B fire. Demo of MFCF 10 powder-based fire extinguisher on live electric fire. The ASCA MFCF 10 has been tested by the AFTRL lab. The system is widely being used across private and public sectors by organizations like Indian Army, DRDO, CRPF, BARC, ISRO, ONGC, CPWD, Delhi Metro, Indian Oil, HP, Mylan Labs, Lawson & Toubro, the Leela, etc. With more than 4,000 numbers already deployed in the field. The wide clientele of the product shows beyond doubt that the ASCA MFCF 10 is a dependable asset for any organization looking for an effective first responder.